Here we are at the Weebly.com website. Let's run through this setup and sign up process. Just see how easy it is. Okay, I know the answers to these questions. Let's see here. Just gonna put in an email address. Okay, and then sign up for free. Waiting. Sure, I'll save that password. All right, look at this. So I have three simple choices. I'm going to go with site. Then you could literally get lost in here for hours choosing a theme. Just know that whatever you select, I'm going to choose this one, you can always change it and it won't affect the content in your site. So just to get things going here, I'm going to move us on. So we have some helpful elements over here on the right, or to the left rather, and then across the top, pages, theme, store, if you were to try and sell things online, settings, upgrade, and then the most important button that people often forget to click, publish. So until you click this orange publish button, your site is not live on the internet. So when you go to submit this URL for a grade as your assignments in your course project, you need to make sure and click the publish button, which will then produce a URL which you can submit to the assignments Dropbox. So let's go back here to build for a second. Click on pages. Now the three default pages so far are the home page, which we're looking at, the about page. So if I click there, I get to a whole different set of layouts. I can always go back, or the contact page, which again just has a very open template design. I'm going to go ahead and select about right now. And now if I go to the build, you'll notice I'm still on the about page. I can bring in some of these elements. I'm just clicking and holding down with my mouse button. This blue line right here, the horizontal rule, shows me where that element's going to appear. And then let go of the mouse and simply click and type title text here. Then I can add a larger text box if I like, which is more like a paragraph. Drop in images here. I can put them inside of a current element, above it, below it, or completely below it. Then you can have fun with some of these other elements as well. If I want to create a horizontal rule, I can do that. Search box, audio, video. I can also include, where is it? YouTube. So this is an important element to drop in here. When I click on this element, then I get this dialog box. It lets me copy paste the URL from the YouTube video that I want to put in to this space. See, it shows another video by default, but in order to put the video in that you want to put in, you just simply need to click on that.
If you want to add a YouTube video to your site, all you need is the address of that video.
Getting a little instruction.
You can find this address on YouTube.
So you can do that, and it'll show you where to find the URL. If you want to remove any of the elements, simply click on the X, and then are you sure? Yes. But again, nothing is live until I click this publish button. So when you have it the way you think you like it, at least for now, click publish. That will give you three different options here. If you already own a domain name, great, connect it there. If you want to register a brand new name and pay money, great, click there. If you want a free website domain, click there. And I'm going to go with J. Bruzace Room 16. Like that. Then you get the green check if that is actually available. Click continue. Verify that you are a human. I'm going to type in this code here. It's a pretty long CAPTCHA code. Okay, publish my site. Now, here is the URL that you will need to copy paste into the assignments Dropbox. Or if you want to share your site with anyone, this is the URL you're going to give them. So I'm just going to highlight that, copy it with Command C. Or if you want to see what it looks like, you can click on it. It'll post it up right there. Go to my menu, go to About, and you'll see what we created there. There you go.